What's this? Rob's hunting bills? I am. Hey everybody, it's Rob with Rob Finds Treasure, and I felt like doing a bill search today. And you know what? I wanted to get some fives. I was gonna get all straps of fives to just go bonkers, but I thought I want to get some tens too. So I've got three 100 bill straps of fives and one strap of 100 tens, total of 400 bills to look at. I am gonna do this the old-fashioned way, and I'm gonna show these bills one at a time, let you see what I see, let you see if I missed something, and at the end of the video, we'll go and recap what I have. That being said, let's wrap up this intro and get this hunt going. Let's go ahead and kick it off with the tens. I'll get them open and we'll start the hunt. So as you can see, the tens were pretty much a bust. I looked at this bill for an extra second because it is a trinary. In other words, the serial number is made up of only three numbers, and in this case, twos, fives, and eights. Had that eight been a five or a two and it made it a binary, it would have been a pretty good note. Trinaries are slightly collectible, but generally fetch nothing above face unless they're in pristine condition and the serial number, even though it's a trinary, looks cool. Like, for example, had it been 1 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 3 or 0 2 2 2 5 5 5 5 5 or something like that, maybe. But this trinary is broken up in the middle with the 8. There's not a lot of repeaters in there, so not that fancy. That being said, we have three straps of fives to hunt next, so let's start those. So as you saw from that video clip, pretty much a complete skunking on the first strap of fives. Let's do another strap and see how we do. So in that strap, we had a few notes worthy of another look. This one right here has 4 numbers in a row. Sometimes that's collectible, but honestly, if it's not at least 5 or even 6, it's probably not going to fetch any additional value. Some people will collect the 6s or the 7s, but I don't. Again, if it was 6 6s or 7 7s and you name it, then I would do it. But that's not very collectible. I wanted to show it to you anyway. This is almost a birthday note in reverse order. A birthday note has actually a year, a month, and a day. Now this is 1951, 02, 49. 49 is not going to do anything for us. But had it been 1951, 02, 09, we could look at it as either February 9th, 1951 or September 2nd, 1951. Now I prefer birthday notes that are completely true, like if it was 02, 09, 1951. But somebody whose birth date and year would have been 02, 09, 1951 probably would still like that note. Still, it's not a keeper. Some people argue that if as long as you have a year on there, it's considered a birth year or anniversary year. But to me, it's not that special if it just has the 4-digit year on there. I want to see the month and the day. Pulled them aside for little educational purposes just in case. But the only find of the strap is this star note here. Now, obviously, I will be checking the print run and total print run for this star note's rarity. I also have, as I mentioned, a link down below in the video description where you can check your star notes for their print runs, total print runs and rarities, and then also the link down below where you can take a look and educate yourself with what constitutes a fancy serial number. We're going to pull that aside for now. We do have $5 out of this strap, so I need to keep that in my mind. And let's get on to the next strap. So absolutely nothing in that strap worth mentioning or keeping. Now we're going to check the print run and rarity and total print run of this $5 star note. Again, I'll be using the site listed down below so that you also can check your star notes should you like to. But hang tight, because after I do this, I will show a couple examples of some pretty cool bills that I have in my collection. So the star note lookup site's really easy to do. You just put a $5 bill in there. We know that my year is 2009. And then we punch in the serial number. You don't need to put the star if you don't want to, but you do need the letters. I have JA05087552. We plug it in there. It gives you a readout. I have 3.2 million print run size, and the total print is only 3.5. Look how close we were. If we had gotten 0032000 or smaller, only a 320,000 print run. Unfortunately, we're part of the large print run. The total print run is not much bigger than the run size of my star note, which is always a good sign. You don't want to see a ton of total printed here, but I'm at the very bottom of the rarity scale. So at the end of the day, this star note is a spender. Now, if you collect star notes, you might say, Rob, just hold on to it. I do hold on to star notes that are at least somewhat rare, not the ones that are not rare anymore. Now that you've seen that, let me go ahead and show you some bills that I like as part of my collection. So of course, I'm not going to show you all my bills, just a sample of some of the things you can expect to find in your hunts. One of the things I look for is I'm trying to put together a set of 5 of every number from 0s to 9s. So here is 5 1s. The bill ends with 5 1s. This bill ends with 5 2s. This bill ends with 5 4s, and as you can see, I don't have the 3s yet. This bill begins with 5 5s. This bill begins with 5 6s. This bill has 5 8s offset, but still 5 8s. This one has 5 9s offset, and I actually found these two in the same strap. So I'm trying to make a set of 0 through 9, 5 in a row, or 5 of a kind, preferably at the beginning or the end, just because I think that's pretty cool. A couple of really low serial number bills. Here is 525. So obviously this begins with 5 zeros. This does go with part of the other group for 5 zeros in a row, but it's actually more valuable as a low serial number. Here's a bill with 5 zeros ending, but a total of 6 zeros and a binary, 202 and all those zeros. And then my favorite bill I've ever found is this one right here, 00010000. Love this bill. And it's from an uncirculated strap, so it is crisp and fresh. Here's a couple of radars. A lot of you can find these in your bills. You can see this one begins with 5692, and then exact opposite, like it's echoing off each other, 2965. It is a radar. Another example is this one, 9354 4539. And then final example here, 7531 1357. Those are called radars. They are collectible. Obviously, it's nicer when they're trinaries versus 4-number radars, but still, we'll take them. Anyway, everyone, I think that wraps it up for today's video. Obviously, always keep an eye out for those silver certificates and those red seals, because you never know when you'll find one in one of your straps of bills that you can hunt. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.